Our little baby girl, Kiara. I can't believe it's been a year already. I feel like just yesterday we learnt we were expecting. I feel like just yesterday I was sleeping restlessly and feeling you kick in my belly. I remember Dada and I anxiously awaiting every doctor's appointment because hearing your little heartbeat made our day. For 39 weeks we watched you grow, prayed for you and prepared for your arrival. We wondered whose eyes you would have and what your personality would be like.
Life has never been the same from the first time we held you 1 year ago. From feeling your little hand grip my finger in the hospital to the awe in your face tasting food for the first time. You truly bring so much joy to each day. Getting to meet you for the first time was magical. The first time you fell asleep holding on tight, we knew there was no place else we would rather be. You were so cuddly and wanted to sleep all the time. You liked to have your hands close to your face and sleep on Dada's chest. You bring so much light into the world and you make so many people so happy with just your smile alone. I cannot even count how many times a stranger has looked into your bright twinkly eyes and smiled from year to year. We feel so blessed that we get to be your Mama and Dada.
Over this past year, you've grown into such an incredibly beautiful and inquisitive little girl. You love exploring and are quite the problem solver already. We'll never forget when you started crawling, or when you first rolled over, or when your little teeth finally started cutting through and everything became a teething toy.
Or the time that I gave you your first bath and how it was a first for both of us.
There is no sweeter sound in this world than your laughter, and we'll do anything to make you smile.
You have changed how we view the world. You have taught us patience and self-reflection. You are undeniably spectacular, and you'll never understand how much we love you.
There are times where we wish we could freeze moments forever. Yet we know that each passing day with you brings us more happiness. Just to let your future self know, at the moment, you love helping out in unloading the dishwasher, you love singing to the oven, pop-up toy is your favorite, you love being silly with Dada, and you absolutely adore your ducky. But even then, you would rather play with the drawers in the kitchen than any of your toys. This past year will be a year we will forever cherish. We have watched you grow from a little tiny newborn baby to a crawling, babbling little human. You have so many big things ahead of you, and we will be here with you every step of the way. We will keep holding you tight and never ever stop having your back.
We pray that you continue to be as bubbly and cheerful as you are. We pray that your heart and soul may always know happiness. And we pray that the divine light of God may shine on you wherever you go. You are the greatest joy that has come into our little family. I can't wait to continue watching you learn and grow. Mama and Dada love you always and forever, our sweet little Kiara.